there are a few things you can consider doing in the evening to help you keep that metabolism revved up and improve your chances of weight loss or weight maintenance that you work so hard on perhaps during the daytime. The first one really is plan ahead for the next day. Before bed is a great time to have your food ready that you're going to need to have in the morning to have that whole food breakfast, or maybe to have healthy snacks ready or a healthy lunch. That is most successfully done probably the night before when you're not rushing around in the morning trying to get it all done. So planning ahead is really important. Also maybe having your exercise clothes ready to go if you do like to go out to the gym. I know if I don't have it ready, I'm kind of second guessing, will I really go, because it's going to take extra time to get all my gear together. Have that ready the night before, packed and ready to go, or even ready to put on if you're doing something right at home or trying to get out the door for a walk or run. Or maybe even having a video queued up if you're one of those that likes to do something in front of the TV or your computer or your smartphone. Have that queued up and ready to go. Your success, you're going to be more likely to get that done. And then the second thing is really considering your sleep environment. Blacking out your room, making sure that you're going to be in a dark environment when you're trying to sleep is really important. It's going to help you sleep better, but why that's important is that even having dim light in the room when you're sleeping or trying to sleep disrupts your circadian rhythm. There's pretty recent research that's showing that if there's a light in your room and you're not sleeping soundly, that there's a change in your circadian rhythm which disrupts metabolism then during the day. And people who sleep in a disruptive state like that actually end up weighing heavier, or they're more likely to be obese. So that's a real important consideration. And then the temperature of your sleeping environment has, again, some recent research is showing that if we keep a cooler temperature in the sleeping environment, like 66 degrees or maybe lower if you like it pretty chilly, it's going to help you with the amount of brown adipose tissue. Research is showing that can actually be helpful to in metabolism and actually keeping metabolism revved up through the day. So this is kind of current or new research, but there's really some good evidence out there that shows the temperature is important. If you're sleeping in a warm environment, that can again affect the kind of adipose tissue that's being I guess created and affecting your metabolism. So there's 3 things you can do. Make sure you plan ahead for the next day. Sleep with blackout conditions and try to get that 6 to 8 hours of sleep, and then make sure you're doing it in a cool room as well.